Road is long, bodies are sore. But for me, my heart is full. This is day 9 on the Camino de Santiago.
Buen Camino. Good morning, beautiful people. Alright, today it's day 9 on the Camino de Santiago, and I don't know where the stage will end today. You've got two options. One, walk 20 kilometers, or walk 27 kilometers out of the next day. I'm not quite sure. But anyway, we'll see how I feel, and we'll check out this beautiful village a little bit, because body is very sore today. Let's go.
Hey, Mr. Easy.
Why do you call me Mr. Easy?
Mr. Easy.
Why do you call me Mr. Easy?
Yeah, you always say easy.
Facile. I said easy, facile. It's just a state of mind, man. It's easy. You can do this. You can do this. Where you go today?
I don't know the next station.
Next station? Yeah.
Long name.
The station with the long name, okay? See you later, bro. Everything's so much about your mind. This thing is just a mental game. So the first day I saw this guy, he's from Malaysia. And I said it's facile, it's easy. Everything's easy. We just have to think about what we're doing. But it's tricky today because I don't know where I'm going. So I'll just stick to the stages maybe. But we'll just keep walking. We walked up the top of the hill and I have a feeling that this is going to be beautiful.
It sure was. Went through some vineyards, saw a pretty rainbow. And a nice walk in the countryside.
Just had a great chat with Lee, the Tasmanian guy. And it's just a moment to just sit and rest here in this beautiful little paddock. So much of our life journey is so consumed with what we do. And the Camino, you just walk. Physically, you're exhausted every day. But you just go walk. And you're able to deal with things that you have never had the time to deal with before. As Lee just said, it's a little bit like therapy. It's peaceful, it's chilling, resting, and it's a very special time. And the people are all doing it for a reason. Whatever your reason is why you do the Camino, it's just a sense of achievement, dealing with pain. Buen Camino! Dang it, I have to Buen Camino again. But yeah, just being able to experience this with a bunch of people, and that's what the spirit of the Camino is. There's real beauty in this place. Because everyone's here for a reason, to walk. To go further than to push themselves, to deal with pain or overcoming adversity. And it's very, very special. I'm freaking loving this.
Walked a little further and I found a scene that I was familiar with.
Wow.
My legs were feeling good, so I just kept going. To Grañón. To a very interesting place. It's called a donativo, where you basically pay what you think you should. We set up for dinner.
You can sleep in the church.
So this is a cathedral, and we're staying here. And if they ran out of space, you just stay in the church. So that's my little place there. And I sleep all along here with all these other people. And sometimes in the summer, they film 100 people, and so everyone just sleeps in the church. So we're just setting up for dinner, and then we're going to have a good time later on. Church, prayers, whatever. And we'll see how the night unfolds.